Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I want to show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 10 operating system. So first you're going to right click on the start button, then choose the settings. Then in the settings window you choose personalization. Then on the left side you choose the colors. Then where it's showing choose your color. Currently it's showing light. So if I wanted to change to dark mode, I just select dark, and automatically you can see my window has changed to dark color, and even my start menu has also changed to a dark color, which you are calling the dark mode. Alternatively, you can change even for individual windows or applications that you are running in your computer by selecting custom. So to demonstrate that, just allow me to show some two windows here. So we have two options. We have choose your default Windows mode, and you have choose your default app mode. So when I choose light and choose your default Windows mode, you'll see a difference in how the taskbar appears. It's lighter. Then also the start menu will be lighter. Then when I choose light, for this other option, choose your default app mode, you will see my windows changing to a lighter color or light mode. Then if I choose dark, you can see my windows changing to black or dark color. So this is what you are calling the dark mode. So I want to change both the windows and the applications to run in dark mode, and that is it. Otherwise, remember to subscribe, like and share. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in my next video.